My name is Helena Dolny. I'm a co-founder of a not-for-profit institution called the Love Legacy Dignity Institute. So Love Legacy Dignity is a public advocacy group. And in Archbishop Tutu's words, we're trying to break the taboo about conversations about dying. And Henley Business School, with its MBA that is family friendly, is concerned that people are given the opportunity to think more broadly about things that normally wouldn't come into family conversations. And so today's topic, love, loss, and resilience, is something that will touch everybody in this room. And I am hoping that people will leave this room thinking that there are things that they might decide to pay more attention to in their life. And if that happens, I'll consider it a job well done.